In what time a sum will become triple at 12.5% interest rate per annum? Now, as the type of interest is not mentioned specifically, we assume it to be simple interest. Now, let's assume the principal to be 100. So we want the sum to become triple. So therefore, amount will be 300. So therefore, simple interest will be amount minus principal, that is 300 minus 100, that is 200. Now the formula for simple interest is PNR upon 100. So let's substitute these values. So simple interest is 200, principal is 100, N we have to find out, R is 12.5 upon 100. Okay, so 100 gets cancelled out. So we want N is equal to 200 upon 12.5. Solving this, we get the answer as 16. So answer will be option D, 16 years.